Welcome to the Vermilion Public Library's March Take and Makes. This month we're making dipped vases. I've completed one here. All you need is nail polish, glass, a toothpick, and warm water. I would also suggest a table covering, someplace for your glass to rest after you dip it. You can have more than one color, more than two, whatever you'd like. And then I would, if you're going to use two colors, do it at the same time. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Try to get some to come out. And if you don't like how yours comes out, you can always wipe it off and try again before it dries. And if it does dry, you can always use nail polish remover to clean it. So I've got it all in there, exactly how, just a few drops that you need. Now I'm going to take my glass and I'm going to just dip it in there and kind of roll the glass in there so it catches that color. You want to be kind of quick about it so that it lays on there. And then you can use your toothpick if you wanted to swirl it around the glass or before in the water. You can do that. It's very simple. And if I don't like it, I can just wipe it right off and try again. So this one's kind of gloppy, but that's okay. So thank you for joining me today to make dipped glasses.